gardens offer a unique opportunity to blend natural elements with artist flair. Start by selecting a variety of rocks in different shapes, sizes, and colors to create visually interested. Arrange them strategically, considering elevation and natural contours and harmonious layout. Now craft mixed growth to element plants like succulents, low growing perennials and complement the rocky terrain. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon on this video. Share to your friends and family members. Vertical landscaping is an excellent solution for maximizing space and adding a vertical interest rate to your garden. Explore options like wall-mounted planters, trellis, and modular system to create a stunning vertical gardens. Choose plants that thrive in a vertical environments such as climbing vines, ferns, and herbs to create a lush green walls. And now crafting vertical elements like arbors, pergolas, or lattice sequence add a structure and depth of your outdoor space. Experiment with the different plants, combination and textures to create visually stunning space display that transform your ordinary world in walls and workout art. Rock gardening, vertical landscaping on large flower beds offer endless possibilities for creating a stunning outdoor space that reflect your unique style and personality. By incorporating these ideas and tips, you will be well on your way to transforming your yard into a breathtaking garden that you should love to spend time in. Footage of beautifully landscaped garden with rock features, vertical plants, colorful flower beds. So don't forget like, share, subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Enjoying the video. Now let's talk about patio furniture. Comfort is a key when it comes to outdoor seating. So opt for plush cushions and durable materials that can withstand that elements. Create inviting seating areas which can relax, unwind, and friends and family members. Don't be afraid to add personal touches to like through polios and outdoor rugs and decorative lighting enhance the ambience of your patio. With the right combination of lush greenery, plants, patio furniture, you transform your backyard into peaceful oasis when you are now crafting the street of daily life and concept of the nature. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon on this video. Share to your friends and family members. So more ideas and knowledge, my channel visit. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Bye.